We're out here on location with William Ryan Homes, and we've got Nick with us. And tell us about this community.
So we are on the hillside here at Sienna Hills. So we have two different product lines, a 35 wide and a 45 wide, 12 different floor plans offered.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's gorgeous up here with mountain views and city views.
Yeah, and what other, you've got different features and amenities that are out here.
As far as community amenities, we have a community pool, small gym and clubhouse. We do have access to a few different trailheads as well that run through our community.
Well, and the homes, I mean, besides that it is gorgeous out here, I mean, this is absolutely breathtaking, but the homes themselves, you guys offer a lot with William Ryan Homes.
We definitely do. We do a design center process, so a buyer can literally build their house from the ground up and select all their own options and customize it how they see fit.
And they have a variety. I mean, they can make it their own.
Absolutely.
And what did you say, what's the square footage with these homes?
Range about 1,450 up to 3,600.
That is fantastic. And I'm always telling people, they need to get in their car, they need to come out and see this for themselves because they can see all this beautiful footage of it, but they need to come see it. So what is the best way to tell someone to get out here?
If you're going to come from Phoenix, you're going to go west on I-10, exit Verado Way, and go north to McDowell, and then make a left, and that'll take you to the Sienna Hills community, and then you'll just follow our signs up to the hill.
And then they're just going to see how beautiful it is, see all the different things that you guys have to offer. I also tell people, go to the website, because they can find a lot of more information there as well.
Yeah, absolutely. We can do online appointments as well, and we can do one-on-ones with people, make sure that we give them the best customer service and time that they need.
I love that. This is a big deal. You know, this is their dream home, so you're going to make it nice and easy for them to want to come in.
Yeah, we try to.
All right, well, thank you for letting us come out here today.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much.